Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I'm going to do a comparison video today for Jeff Marsh. Wanted to see the comparison between a Bud Ice and a Bud Light Platinum. Of course, I've reviewed both of these singly before. Bud Light Platinum, I can't remember if I used this in a comparison video anytime recently or not. So I'm going to see what this is like. Now, let's see. Now the Bud Ice does not say that it's a light beer, so I would suspect the flavors are going to be a little bit more lighter in the Platinum than the Bud Ice, but the Platinum part might make up for the light part. Maybe, I don't know. So the Bud Ice is a 5.5% ABV, and the Bud Light Platinum is a 6%. So they're pretty close in ABV, only off by what, 0.5% or something like that. Is that correct? So this one cost me $2.79, and this one cost me $1.89. So I'm going to put. Here, let's do this. And this blank one, the Bud Ice, and then this Platinum, put this in the Budweiser glass. Okay, so it's been overcasted probably most of the day again, but the humidity is like out of sight. I mean, it's like ridiculous out here. I've been working in my shed trying to organize it. Again, I got an addition to my shop table, so trying to make it so that I can work in there easily, you know. But it's a dusty environment, and I'm filthy right now. So okay, let's check these out. They're really cold right now, and I'm really hot right now, so I'm ready to jump into this. And I'm curious too. Let's see, Bud Light Platinum, or the Bud Light Platinum. Doesn't say any specifics on it. Brewed for the night. Brewed for the night? I mean dark night, not, you know, shield and sword night. Brewed for the night. I wonder what that means. The nightlife? Bud Ice Lager. It's a premium. It says premium on it. Let's see. Calories 126. Calories 139 on the light. That's 126. Wouldn't you think on the light one you'd get lower calories? What are the carbs on here? 5.1 gram, 4.2 grams. Higher on the carbs on the light one too. But like I said, the Platinum part might be making up for the light part on this side. I don't know. Weird. I don't know about all that nutritional fact type stuff. The Bud Ice has a little bit more of a golden color, doesn't it? The head seems to be sticking around a little bit more on the Bud Ice than on the Platinum. The head looks a little bit more frothy on the ice beer. This one here is kind of fizzling out pretty quick on the ice, on the Platinum. Okay, let's check out the Platinum. Wow, flavorsome. You get a sweet, malty aroma. The barley malts seem to be low. It has a little bit of light carbonation, light to medium body. Sweetness is about medium on that. Barley malt bitterness on the back end, not really much at all. It's really good. I like it. Okay, now the Bud Ice. Similar on the aroma. The sweetness is a little bit bigger, more prominent on the Bud Ice. Body is medium, a little bit more body to the ice lager. Sweetness level is about close to the Platinum. Light carbonation as well. Barley malt bitterness on the back end. Pretty low as well. Let me see. They're very similar. Very similar. Jeff might have known that. He might have done his own review of it or something to find out that they are really close. The sweetness level is a little bit different. The body level is a little bit different. The flavors. The Platinum is a little bit bigger on flavor than the Ice. A little bit bigger. And was this the one that had the bigger calories and bigger carbs? I think it was, because I was like, you'd think the light beer would have lower stuff than what the regular premium Bud Ice lager would, you know? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Okay. Not a whole lot of difference. I'm always confused about that the ice beers are not tasting like so much different than the regular beers because of the process that the ice beers go through. I wish I could remember what ice beer I had. Probably my first one that had like a real metallic, kind of a tinny, kind of a mouthfeel to it. And I kind of put that off as part of the ice beer brewing process, freezing the beer and scraping it. But these other ones, they don't put off that kind of characteristic, so I don't know, I don't understand how come they don't anymore, to me. Maybe my imagination, after I heard how it's prepared, maybe I just thought I was gonna, maybe I was just imagining that I was getting that. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So anyway. Yeah, it's a little bit more, the ice beer is a little bit more golden than the platinum. But they're both good. They're good beers, yeah. Gotta have a refreshing characteristic to them. They're quenching my thirst. ABV's in the mid-level. They're not real heavy to me. Both good beers for doing stuff outside. So there you go. I can't really say I like one over the other because they're so close. I think I was getting bigger flavor on the platinum. But yeah, they're both good. Which one do you guys like better, prefer? Maybe you guys get more of a difference than what I get. And that's, I mean, that's normal, you know. My findings on these two are not going to be the same as what someone else finds on the differences between the two. So that's just the way it is. Okay, well, I'm going to end it here. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks Jeff Marsh for the suggestion here on these, for these two. I never would have thought there would, I mean, I never thought they'd be so close until, until I've gotten to try them side by side. So, is my camera going darker? What's going on? So anyway, I thank you all for watching, appreciate it, and I will see you all on the next one. Did my camera go dark? It's kind of odd. Let me know if it looked like my camera just went a shade darker toward the end of this. Okay.